Good afternoon. I am Dr. Saroj Mahajan. Today my topic is transpiration. Myself, Dr. Saroj Mahajan, Associate Professor, MJBG PG College, Motitabella, India. Today we discuss the transpiration. This transpiration is a process in which the plant, from the plants, the water evaporate. These are the some points on which we discuss the topic. First is the introduction, second is the definition, third is the types of transpiration, fourth is mechanism of transpiration, factors and significance of transpiration. Introduction. As you know that the plants require excretory system to discharge the excess water from their body in the form of transpiration. Transpiration is a process in which the excess water evaporate from the surface of the leaves. Definition. The process of elimination of excess water from the aerial parts of the plant body in the form of water vapors, which is known as transpiration. Types of transpiration. There are three types of transpiration. Number one, stomatal transpiration. Number two, cuticular transpiration. Number three, lenticular transpiration. These three types of transpiration which occur from the plants. Number one, that is the first, the stomatal transpiration. The opening and closing of the stomata is controlled by the turgidity of guard cells. The stomata, they are made up of guard cells, which are kidney shaped, and epidermal cells. When the guard cells are turgid, the stomata will open, and when the guard cells are flaccid, the stomata will close. This is the stomatal transpiration. Then come to the lenticular transpiration. In woody plants, that is the older plants, the stem contains the lenticels. These lenticels, they act as a stomata. The water vapors evaporate from these cells. They are called the lenticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration. The uppermost layer of the epidermis is cuticle, which is protecting in nature. Evaporation of water from the cuticle is called cuticular transpiration. From the transpiration, about 5 to 10% of the water evaporate from the leaves. This transpiration, by the help of this diagram, we can explain these are the stomata which are open, and from this stomata the exchange of gases occur. From this, the oxygen gas out and CO2 is come, which help in the photosynthesis. Water lost from the leaf pores, that is the stomata. From the absorption by the root, the plants grow through the upper side of the plant. The water vapors lost in the form of leaf process. Mechanism of transpiration. This transpiration is well mechanized, by which controlled by the opening and closing of stomata. The opening and closing of stomata is totally depend upon the turgidity of the soil. Stomata, what is stomata? Stomata, they are the minute pores on the epidermis, which overall in shape and consist of two specialized epidermal cells, which are called guard cells. These guard cells, they are the kidney shaped. The inner wall of the guard cells is thickened and outer wall is thin, which is elastic and semi-permeable in nature. The turgor pressure of the guard cells high and they become turgid. The guard cells swells increase in length and their adjacent thickened surface starts forming and the stomata will open. With the help of this diagram, we can see the opening of the stomata. The guard cells, they are swollen, and the cell walls, they are stretched. And in this cell guard cell, the nucleus is present, stomata, aperture, vacuoles, and chloroplast, which help in the photosynthesis. Closing of stomata. When the osmotic pressure and diffusion pressure deficit of the guard cell decrease, the water released back into the later by the osmotic diffusion, and guard cells become flaccid. The thickened surface of the guard cells become close to each other, and they are closing stomatal pores, and stomata will close. Guard cell shrunken. The stomata will close in the night time. The significance of transpiration. Transpiration helps in the conduction of water, minerals to the different parts of the plant. Due to the continuous elimination of water from the plant body, there is a balance of water maintained with the help of plant, and it maintains the osmosis and keep the cells turgid. Thank you.